capacitive probe is immersed into the oil, and based on the actual oil level,
I'm from Romania. I'm here at AEROK training center for the first time. I have a very good impression right now. Presenting is very good. I have understood all the information they have told us. So basically, the overall impression is excellent.
I'm from French, and I'm going to do the training for AEROK in Budapest. And I just come 2 days ago, and I enjoy the time here because it's a nice training center, I think. And the teacher is very good, speaks very well English, and good for training, I think.
My name is James. I come from Romania. I come for the V25 diverting course. The course is very interactive, it's very good. The teacher is very explicit. The lesson is very active. Everything is very nice. It's a very good impression for me. I'm very lucky to do the training with AEROK.